Traveling with a carry-on and you hate long lines at the airport? Well, this video's for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use one of these self-check-in kiosks to get your boarding pass so that way you can go straight to security. If you watch until the end, I'll also show you how to be able to pick your own seat. First, you want to find the kiosk for the airline that you'll be traveling. In my case, I'm flying with American today. Once you find the kiosk, pick your language and get started. In order to pull up your ticket, you could either enter the record locator or your advantage number if you have one. Next step is to confirm you're not traveling with any prohibited items. Next, you're going to answer if you're in active duty. As you can see, there's a lot of different things that we can do from these kiosks. Later on, I'm going to show you how to change your seats. Right now, let's print that boarding pass. I'm going to add it and then click continue. For the last step, American's going to ask you if you want to purchase any additional advantage bonus miles. In my case, I'm going to say no. And like that, the kiosk has just printed my boarding pass and I'm ready to go to security. As I mentioned, there's a lot of different things you could do at this kiosk. Right now I'm going to walk you through how to change your seat. Let's go back and pull up our ticket. This time, instead of printing the boarding pass, we're going to add choose or change your seats. This is my favorite feature of using the kiosk. I'm able to pull up a seat map and see where I'm located, number one, and also see what all seats are available in blue. And just by touching the screen, I can change my seat. And just like that, I've been able to pull up my ticket, change my seat, print out the boarding pass, and head straight to the security. Well, we hope you like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.